Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I just got installed this iDRIVE EVC in my 2015 Mustang EcoBoost automatic transmission, and let's get this out to see what it does and what is the difference in the performance and the behavior of the car. So let's check it out. This is the normal this is the auto mode, this is the normal mode. So let's drive like normally I did in every day. So the car feels normal, nothing crazy like always. So now let's put it in Ultimate 9. Woo! You can feel the difference right away. I mean, you just press the throttle, the gas pedal. You only press like normally you do. I'm sorry, and the cars just go. The difference is a lot. I'm afraid to touch the pedal. I'm afraid to touch the pedal again because oh man, the car now has like a beast mode, like want to go crazy. It's nice. Now check it out, the eco mode. Guys, I just put the pedal like a halfway. Look, the car goes like a sleepy mode. Just literally, oh man, this is gonna be amazing for MPG performance. I will try it out tomorrow. I will put it in this eco mode and drive to my work and see if I get better MPG. It doesn't want to go fast. Okay, so you can feel the difference right away when you put through the modes. This is the auto mode. Let's see what it does. All right. It feels fast, but fast and easy. I mean, not crazy. Seems like if I put the pedal softly, the car goes soft. It's not crazy. But if I push it faster, the car just go. Oh yeah. I like that mode because it's not crazy all the time. It's just when you need it, the car go fast, go crazy. But if you put it just a little bit, the gas pedal, the car goes easy, go nice. I love it. I definitely like so much this product. This right here is the iDRIVE EVC. I like it. Yeah. It's cool. You can feel the difference. And it's amazing. The difference is amazing. It's totally different. It's another car right now. It's different. In each mode, you can feel a different car right away. So it's very nice. I'm definitely so happy with it. And I will do the video tomorrow in eco mode, and we'll see if I get better MPG response or performance, whatever you want to call it. And let's check it out. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This is the review, a small review of this product. Definitely I'm approve it, and I recommend you to install it in your car. They have to different types of car. They have to for Jeeps, for a lot cars. I know they have a lot of cars. Another great feature about this thing is you can choose the color of the face. In my case, I decided to get the red one because the car is red outside, so I wanted to match the face with the car outside. And it looks very nice, very cool, easy to install. I just installed it in 15 minutes. Easy to do. They have a bypass wire, goes to the gas pedal, and that's it. It's easy, just plug and play. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for seeing my channel. Thank you for subscribing, like and share this video, and see you next time. Bye.